Hey folks, moving can be one of life's most stressful events, but it doesn't have to be. I'm here to introduce you to Keep It Moving services and their 6 easy steps to a stress-free move. Let's dive in. Step 1. Get an estimate. With just a few clicks, you can get a quick quote that helps you plan your moving timeline. It's fast, easy, and gives you a clear idea of what to expect. Step 2. Booking and planning. Once you lock in your moving date and time, Keep It Moving takes over the logistics. They'll handle everything, so you can focus on other important tasks. Step 3. Packing and preparation. You have options here. You can let the pros handle the packing for you, or if you prefer to do it yourself, they offer top-notch packing supplies. Either way, your belongings are safe and sound. Step 4. Moving day. The trained crew from Keep It Moving will load and secure all your items for transport. They're punctual, professional, and treat your belongings with the utmost care. Step 5. Unloading and placement. Once at your new place, the team will carefully unload and place every item exactly where you want it. No heavy lifting for you. Step 6. Final walkthrough. Before they leave, they'll walk through your new space with you to make sure everything is just right. Your satisfaction is their top priority. But there's more. Keep It Moving also offers additional services like portable trailer storage, local and long-distance moves, labor-only services, and more. And let's not forget the pricing. They offer both hourly and flat rates, with special discounts for larger down payments and military personnel. Let's hear what some happy customers have to say. With over 200+ positive reviews, you can trust Keep It Moving services to deliver a smooth and stress-free moving experience. Their company values are all about innovation, integrity, and excellence. These aren't just buzzwords, they're the foundation of everything they do. Let's make your next move the easiest one yet. Visit our website for a free estimate or contact. Keep It Moving services directly at 609-598-7190 or contact@keepitmovingservices.co. Thanks for watching, and happy moving.